Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to export GIFs from public groups on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. This method is simple once you know where to look, and by the end, you'll be able to access and save all your favorite GIFs directly from Telegram. First, open the Telegram application on your computer. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open the main menu where you can find all the settings and customization options. From that menu, click on Settings. Inside the settings, you'll see several categories, but the one we need is called Advanced. Select Advanced to open up more detailed controls for your Telegram account. Now, scroll down the page until you see an option that reads Export Telegram Data. This is the tool designed to help you export specific chat content, including media files like GIFs. Go ahead and click on it. When the export window opens, you'll see a list of export options. To get only the content you want, first check the box labeled Public Groups. This ensures Telegram will only gather data from groups that are publicly accessible instead of your private chats or channels. After that, scroll down a little further until you see the section for media types. Here, make sure the option for GIFs is enabled. That way, the export process will focus on collecting the GIFs from the public groups you're part of. Once you've checked these settings, click on Export. Depending on the size of your groups and the number of GIFs involved, this may take a few minutes. Telegram will automatically prepare a file with your requested data. When the export finishes, you'll be given the option to view your files. Click on Show My Data, and a folder will open on your computer containing all the exported information. Inside, you'll find a section dedicated to the GIFs you exported from your public groups, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you can easily back up or browse through GIFs from Telegram public groups right on your computer. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to save these steps for future reference whenever you want to repeat the process.